Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this big lump of a lock is actually a Yardini padlock. I think it's supposed to be a motorbike lock for a chain maybe. And yeah, Yardini are I think, Israeli brand. Please do correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And you can see their horseshoe logo here, and also on the front where it says Yard. I'm sure with a bit of smaller text they could have put Yardini, but there you go. Opens up nicely with a 15mm hardened steel shackle, pretty hefty. Certainly one of the largest for a padlock this size, although a few bike D-locks have larger shackles. Just pop that to one side for a minute and show you how this might work. And you can see there's actually a rotating ledge with a scoop cut out, like a half moon scoop. And that's because, of course, the shackle, which is round, has to go down on the inside, but it rotates round to interact with these cutouts in the shackle, which make you think there could be a ball bearing mechanism, but as you can see, there isn't at all. So what does it take to pick one of these? Well, let's find out. I have a nice turning tool here, a thick one. I think this is a 1mm one, and I have a gem style pick. So it's going to go in here. I'm going to go in and see what is binding. So pin 4 just was there. 3, 2, 1, pin 5, and 1, and oh dear, we're open. Just look at that key and you might see why. It's very average, so it sort of steps down from pin 1 to pin 4, and then there's a slightly higher pin 5 at the back. Can we rake it? I think we probably might be able to. Let's give it a go. So again, we're just going to go in, give it a little rake, and yeah, there we go, we have an open as well. So yes, it picks easy, it rakes easily. Having picked this off camera, I have to say I think it does have a spool pin at least in there, but sometimes, as you just saw, you can sort of pick past it once you get used to the lock. So yeah, this is a big Yardini U-lock. I really like this, even though I know it's strange, it's not a high security lock, it's just not. But it's kind of cool, and I really do like it. So yeah, it's just one of those locks where you like it even though it's an easy pick, and there are a few of them out there like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, it really helps my channel out. If you've got comments about this lock, know anything more about Yardini than I do, please leave a comment below. I read them all and reply to as many as I can, and of course I'll see you all next time.